when I was meeting Huda Beauty. And guys, I know, crazy story time ahead. You're going to find out all about it. But before I go into the story time, you need to like, share, and subscribe, because if you want more episodes like this, you need to engage on these videos, because this is a high budget videos. High budget. So, okay, we're going to go. We're going to go into the story time. Lekin usse pehle, I need to show you guys the infamous shorts I'm talking about. And the best part about this almari is that I can just bend and bring up the look. So it's so sad because my mom made these shorts. Like, I can't even shit on the brand and say, oh, it was the brand's fitting. The brand is my mother. So I'm in a very controversial position. Basically, Huda Beauty का एक दुबई में event हो रहा था, and उसकी जो original date थी वो मेरी university की final presentation के साथ clash हो रही थी. And you know, the thing is, like, yes, I know I'm a full-time content creator, but I cannot just not do my thesis well. Like, I've spent 3 years, like, all of this has paid for my degree. So degree was priority. And I'm like, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. And my dissertation went really well. And the event's date got changed. And the event's date got changed to a time when I could go to Dubai. So I literally did not tell a soul, because I was like, nazar lag jayegi, because, you know, nazar is like real. And I do fear that. And I went to Dubai in July in 2024 at my fattest. Guys, I'm inserting the pictures. I was like 70 kilos. And God bless her beautiful face, but I don't think she was realizing I did not look like myself. I don't know what was happening to my body. It was clearly not healthy, and I'm not even saying from an aesthetics point of view, guys. Like, I had too much body fat. Like, it's not that I'm lambi or I'm thodi chubby ho gayi. Like, I started gaining a lot of fat everywhere, and I thought, okay, stomach everyone has, but when I saw back rolls, I was like, yeah, I'm looking like a guy that's going to be Zibad, a really, really healthy one with all the rolls. So I was like, yeah, we gotta change it. But I didn't know that it was that bad. So what should I wear to meet Miss Huda Beauty? The theme, I can't recall, I'm gonna put up the invite here, was something to do with like pink and sparkle. And I was like, I'm gonna do something different, because I don't wanna be like other girls. And that's my problem sometimes. Itna experiment, itne extremes pe jaake, it only looks good in my head. And this time, it did not look good in my head, because I did doubt myself. So I went for these shorts. I don't even want to wear them right now. Like, I literally can't. I'll show you guys. This was my waist. And that's, I mean, if you look at it right now, it doesn't look that bad. But inserting the video where I'm like thumping to meet Huda, and I go like, woo! And then you see the entire backside. Caress. I think I'm like TMIing the details. But guys, I really didn't think I looked fat. That's the thing. And that's when I look back and I'm like, how? Like, I am that secure in my body. And I paired this with a white top. Again, wo bahut asymmetrical ho gaya tha when I look back at it. The white heart shirt, I don't even have it anymore, to be really honest. Like, that shirt, I don't know what I did with it. It was a heart. And then I thought, oh my God. Yes. Then I thought, another way for me to show off my almari without really showing it off. Okay. These sunglasses were my favorite find of like summer 2024. If you guys know, these Miu Mius were very, very hard to get. So right now, with a smaller face, I believe these still kind of do justice. Like, okay, they're looking cute, but on my round face, I was like, I am going to make my entire Huda Beauty outfit surrounded on these sunglasses. Like, puri styling inke around hogi. So this was my pink element. My bag was black. My shoes were ugly blacks. Like, the beige, the white, the pink, and the black all together didn't make sense. And yeah, in retrospect, we could have done better. But you know what? An achievement is an achievement, and I would like relive that moment the same way at the same weight. And that's what you kind of have to learn. Like, kabhi kabar accept kare, realize there was something going on. For me, it was physical and mental, and I made a change. The weight loss. So I have to say life gets better.